I'm Rick the Rocketeer Newlands, pyromaniac and pacifist, pro-am rocketeer.
I got a little arcade orbit drone for Christmas, which I'm beginning to suspect cost more than I thought it did. And it was fun for a while, but by June I'd kind of got bored with it, so I decided to strap it to some bits of body tube and balsa wood to see what happened. Fired at an Estes B-class with a plug of plasticine in the nose, which blew out apogee to retrim it. My drone pilot Fergus said he had roll yaw control, but no pitch because it was still a bit nose heavy. Then I thought I'd try a more rocket-like drone. The rocket motor with fins attached was jettisoned at apogee to reduce landing weight. Unfortunately, this drone's got barely enough power to get out of its own way, and dropping the battery in the sea off Scarp didn't help either. Long story, don't ask. There was a strong wind blowing downhill which the knackered battery just couldn't cope with, so I wasn't able to bring it in for a gentle hover landing. This is the first flight of the rocket-powered drone aircraft at last year's IRW. More on this in a minute, and you might have seen me put it together in the air-augmented rocketry video.
I'm here with my good friend and former mentor rocketry of John Bonser. Here we are in Kilburnie at the side of the loch, and here we have the beautiful XK520 electric drone, which many of you will be familiar with. However, I felt that what it needed was a rocket motor. This is the XK520, a very cunning piece of aerodynamics, symmetrical airfoil which assists vertical ascent. The way it works is really crafty. The prop blast comes down and impinges off the oversized elevons, and that gives pitch and roll control. Yaw is provided by differential engine speed. Now, we believe that this thrust vectoring control will allow the vehicle to rocket ascend completely vertically.
Rick's just running up the propellers now, parity to the temp rocket launch. Sorry?
Helps if you connect the igniter. We are using a launch rod linked to a straw that slides up it to try and stabilise it at launch.
Only required if it's windy.
This one's a D3P we're trying this time.
Launch. Okay.
Here you see the crude air intake and the augmenter duct mentioned in the other video. It's a Klima D3P that's inside it on a bit of quick match. And you can see the black straw there that's only required if it's windy. And this is it at Midland Sky. Flew very well, despite the wind. Another shot of it. You have to have the props pretty well at full blast on takeoff, just have them idling until the motor lights. Then the gyros auto-fly it all the way up. Then you just click the switch to put it into horizontal mode.
Okay, now this may take a minute because I've never done
Very windy day at John Barber's place.
Cameras!
The reason she rolled an ascent was finger trouble with the yaw roll control.
I hope I'm recording.
I can't even. No idea where it is.
Appalling landing, it was really windy. Okay, it's not a drone yet, but this is John Barber's cool steam-powered boost glider. Much to the chagrin of my friends at the CAA, you're going to be seeing a lot more rocket drones in the sky. So watch out for future vids, and thanks for watching this one.